Aloha, my name is Jeff Bratton. I'm a software engineer, database administrator, and cloud architect. I'm going to grab for you today a brief overview of a project that I worked on in the past year. It was for a finance department of a company that was receiving all the invoices and bills that they needed to pay that were all directed into a specific inbox using 365. So what I did was I created a Blazor application using C# and a SQL Server database. The application would connect to the inbox, look for any new emails that it hadn't already processed, grab the content, parse through all the attachments, take all this information and send it through an API to ChatGPT. I had pre-programmed the ChatGPT agent to look for specific data elements like due date, invoice number, vendor ID, and all the things that you would come to expect in an invoice. ChatGPT would then return a JSON object, and that would be loaded to the screen for the user to review. So they'd have, on one side they could see the original email and the attachments, and on the other side they could see the results of ChatGPT's interpretation of the data. They were able to map the vendor to either existing vendors, or if it wasn't an existing vendor, they could create new ones. And then from there, I was able to inject the data into their CRM, which allowed them to continue processing. So basically, it removed the need for a lot of data entry, but also, accounted for mistakes that AIs tend to make. So that's about it. Happy coding. Aloha.